gathered information about these forests and then presented it to the class. Later, the children drew pictures on this theme, and some of them painted some kind of Lithuanian rainforest with firs and pines. But everyone knew that if these forests are destroyed, it will be affected all the world, and Lithuania also. So we can form a broader approach to the ecology problems. Lithuania in 2008 decided to join in the initiative Let's Do It. The idea of this initiative is not only about removing trash from the forests, but the hope that governments and industries will follow and the green transformations in economy will take place. Pandelis Primary School participates in this action the 5th year. Our pupil slogan is not only neat and tidy forward, but also all Lithuania clean. And in this year, on 20th of April, our school cleaned Pandelis surroundings. Pupils collected over 300 bags of litter. During this project, our school started to sort garbage. Bins of paper, glass, and plastic were put in corridors. Meetings with partners left the most impressions for pupils and teachers, of course. Because of the age of our students, we decided to bring them to Latvia. Latvia is our neighbor. 13 people of 3rd and 4th form came to Smiltynės Trys Primary School. They met new friends and had the possibility to speak English. For some pupils, it was the first trip abroad without their families. It woke up the motivation to learn English more diligent. For some, my colleagues, the meetings will be unforgettable because they took place the first time. It was useful to learn how the ecological problems are solved in other countries. It was interesting to learn about Turkey, Hungary, Netherlands, Latvia, Romania, and Bulgaria, not from the internet or books, but by communicating with natives. Ecology is the problem #1 in the world. We must pay attention to the destructive human activities and form in our children the right attitude to nature by teaching responsible behavior. Благодаря за внимание.
From our colleagues, and we are very happy that we can be here, and we are very happy that we can close a very successful cooperation. During the 2 years, we did a lot of activities what was connected to the project. Of course, and we could put into our curriculum. You can see on the slideshow that we try to put this activity in a very natural way to our everyday practice. For example, now you can see that we try to make clear, make tidy our closer and wider surroundings. Former photos were about the school yard, but now and among the hills. children were very active in this event. And we took our activity to the lessons or competition. For example, this was about the green energy competition, where the classes were teams and they did the teamwork with the posters and presentations and a lot of knowledge, or some game. And we tried to live a healthier way. For example, the children tried to prepare some salads, what is more healthier, and they enjoyed it as well. And because we are non-school as well, not only a primary, we did a mock-up of food, our city, small city. You can see that with the children that they were preparing, and the teacher of arts, and creators as well on this way. We did a lot of toys by Green Energy on the lessons. You can see they were thinking about the plant and how they realized. And a few minutes later you can see the beautiful results of that. Not only the older children, but the younger ones as well. And we, at the topic of the globalization and climate changing, a lot of drawings were made by the pupils. We can see a small selection of that, and there was an exhibition from there as well. And we put this topic on the lessons as well. It's, for example, a math lesson, when they measured why we have to flatten the plastic and make it select on this way. And after, it was a few weeks ago, we followed the way of the plastics to the garbage, to the recycle factory. We visited them, what they will make, what will be. And for example, we saw something what wasn't garbage, the books, and how they can produce usable materials. They are the 8th grade children 2 weeks ago. And first of all, I wanted to start my presentation with it. We tried to get to know our partners. We set up a project corner, a project wall, and we started the selective, collect the garbage in a selective way. And we are happy that we could cooperate with you, and we could do such a successful cooperation project. Thank you very much.